Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you why as Google Sheets is view only. I'm going to explain why. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened a Google Sheets file and here I have the view only mode. So I can only view this document and to make changes, I need to ask the owner for added access. As you guys can see here, when I try to, for example, delete this, I cannot do that because I have limited access to this file. That's because of the owner of this file has limited my access. Here you can see the share button and see your role. You can see that my role is only a viewer because this general access is restricted. So if I want to make some changes into the file, I need to here click on the view only mode and here tap on the request added access. So I need to ask the owner to become an editor for this file. So you can just leave a message here. Hi, for example, I want to make some changes into in the file. And you give me access, for example, here you can just click on send. If the owner doesn't mind about me being the editor, they will allow me and the view only will be gone. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on a thank